how to check for trackers near you right now that uses small Bluetooth devices to track you on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on safety and emergency. Next, go down to the bottom and tap on unknown tracker alerts. Then we scroll down and then tap on scan now. The phone will go ahead and check for trackers near you right now that are separated from their owner. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.